It took me less than an hour to make over $240 using Choop for free. You see, Choop is this free online software that has 200 million monthly active users worldwide, but most beginners don't realize that they can use it to make money online. So in the step-by-step tutorial, I want to boil down what I believe could be the easiest JGPT side hustle, and don't worry, I don't have a course to sell you at the end, and everything I share today is completely free. Step number 1, you first of all want to go to ChatGPT and create an absolutely free account in there by during an email address or by signing off with Google, Microsoft or Apple. When you create an account in chp.com, this is how everything is going to look like. Now CHPD operates in a way where you have to give it specific instructions that are called prompts, essentially prompts. Other way we communicate with CHPT, directing it to give us and perform specific tasks or just generate particular types of content. For example, I can give it a prompt: write a carrot recipe without sugar, and in seconds it's going to start writing this entire recipe for me because I gave it a specific prompt SL instruction, and the better, more detailed prompt that you enter, the better and more detailed results you get. And so some people are even selling these prompts SL instructions that are very detailed for better results. They're selling them on these platforms like PromptBase. So I actually spent over $200 buying prompts from websites like these, and I want to give them away to you for free so that you don't have to spend money. Step number 3, you're going to use this prompt that I'm going to share with you for free later on in this tutorial, and you can just copy and paste it, and just either change the variables in the brackets or in the green, paste it into ChatGPT and just press enter. Now in seconds you're going to get a full step-by-step guide on whatever it is that you are trying to create. In this case, I'm creating a full step-by-step guide on how to grow on YouTube fast, and you can see how detailed this is going to be. Next up, we're going to use this platform that I personally signed up to a few years ago, and so far I have over 894,000 in total sales with it, and the platform in question is Teachable at teachable.com. This is a platform where people are selling all sorts of digital products. You're just going to click on start for free, then you're just going to enter your full name, email address and password, and click create an account. For the next step, you want to go and find a software that you can promote as an affiliate. One of the networks where you can find software to promote is PartnerStack. You can just sign up to it for free by pressing on the get started button over here, and you can find a bunch of software at the marketplace. Like, I found this tool which help creators on YouTube get more views, and they do have an affiliate program right over here, so I would click and sign up now. So far I already made over $500 with this program, but there's a lot of other ones that you can find in Partner Tech Marketplace and just promote as an affiliate. If you don't want to promote any software companies, you could also just sign up to Audible affiliate program, which is even easier to monetize because they actually pay you $5 for every single free book that you give away. So Audible is Amazon company where people can find a bunch of books. So if I, for example, want to find a cooking book, I can just search for cooking, and there's going to be a ton of these books that I could promote. Someone can try this book for free and I will still get paid $5 as an affiliate, and if they actually end up buying some of these books, then I will also get $10 as well. And in this case, if I want to find something that's related to YouTube, then I can just search for YouTube, and I can find a bunch of these like YouTube formula books and promote them to get paid $5. Besides that, you could also just build an actual store with products you don't even have to own yourself. If you go over to Kit, you can click on the plus icon over here and you can create your own kit from scratch. Next up, you want to go back to CHPT and you want to make some visual graphs to make your entire PDF guide that you are building a little bit more attractive and a little bit more detailed and well researched. So I'm asking it to make a visual graph of overall yearly earnings growth on YouTube since 2018 to today, and as you can see in seconds, we got this entire visual graph that shows that from 2019, we have increased so much to today that people are making a lot more money, 4 times more money than back in 2018. So for the very next step, I'm just going to go to Docs. Google, I'm going to click on blank document. And right over there, I'm just going to start copy pasting everything that the ChatGPT has generated for me so far. So first of all, we have this full step-by-step guide, and look at how long that is. So I'm going to copy that, I'm going to paste it here. I can of course change colors and fonts and all of those things. If you want to change the font, I can just select one here. I'm also either going to download the graph like this, or I could also just take a screenshot. I'm going to go back to Google Docs and just insert that image. I can keep adding these charts to make the entire PDF guide look a lot more attractive and a lot more detailed. Now, I'm just going to click here to title the document, and more importantly, I'm going to click on File Download and download as a PDF document. Now, we're going to go and launch this PDF document as a digital product, because this is a platform that I use to make over 800 all for free. But just remember that this is the formula that we're going to be using to launch any kind of digital product, and this is what actually made me money. When you're selling something, you just want to think about how that's solving a problem for someone, and this is the formula. You help someone to achieve something by doing a specific thing. For example, I help faceless creators to make $10,000 a month by creating problem-solving communities, or I help people with a drinking problem to stop drinking by following the Safari formula. I help middle-aged men to find ideal wife in 4 weeks by using the Casanova framework. Whatever that might be, just use this formula and apply it to the problem that you're solving for someone. Now you're just going to go back to Teachable, and as you go back, you're going to scroll down, simply go to Digital Downloads and click Create right over here. Now you're going to give your product a name, so I'm just going to copy it from the PDF document. I'm going to paste that here. The description of the product could also be fake and either from ChatGPT. Select the category. In this case, it's going to be an ebook, so I'm going to continue with this. In terms of the image, we are going to go back to Canva, just search for ebook covers, so just type in that. Here you're going to come across a bunch of different templates that you can easily customize. You can just double click on the text to make all the necessary changes. And by the way, this is just an example as to how I could potentially do it. If I want to add some elements related to the thing that I'm talking about here, then I can just search for that on the left hand side, and I can add those wherever it seems that it will be nice to fit in. So perhaps I'm going to put that here. I can also position it back a little bit, and let's see how that's going to look like so far. So now I'm going to click share. I'm going to click download as a PNG file, and then I'm going to go back here, upload an image, click continue, one-time purchase, continue again, and just set a price. Now in this case, I'm just going to sell it for $10, and here you just want to add that PDF document. Once that has been uploaded, just click continue and you're ready to go live with this one. So here's how my product looks like as of right now. Now, if you don't want to sell it, there's also another option, and is to go to UPD Forever Net, which is this platform where people are making money when someone just downloads their files, and you can see that they're getting paid anywhere from $1 to $3 again and again. These are people from all over the world. This does pay a lot less than if you were selling these, but it's still available option. You can just click on the sign up button, just enter some details about yourself and click sign up, and then as you log in, just click on upload files, and then right over here you're just going to drag and drop that PDF file that you've got, then click on start the upload, and it's going to load on the platform. Click here, and that's going to give you your special link. If someone downloads this PDF document, now you're going to get paid for it. So what you could effectively do right now is build a community on School, this platform where people are selling digital products. Like for example, this person is making over $100,000 a month with his online community. This person $100,000 a month, $79,000 a month, and you can see the overall monthly earnings here. Like just for July, this person made $136,000, $32,000, $31,000 in one single month with their online community. And I have a bunch of communities myself. One of the communities I have is this one that is selling for $199 a month, and we have about 365 members, so you can just do the math there. So perhaps you could just build a community where in the classroom you will just add all of those PDF guides related to one specific topic only. In this case, it would be like how to grow on YouTube. In your case, it might be how to get a six-pack. It could also be about how to grow a personal brand. Whatever it is, you just build a community with a bunch of PDF guides, and you could potentially charge like $9 a month, because you're constantly going to be adding value in these light text courses every month. And this is how I do it. I mostly have video courses where I actually record those, but there are also some parts where it's just text courses like this. And lastly, I just recommend using some external platforms to get free traffic to your school community, to this digital product that you launched, to that download link, or to your affiliate links. And that platform actually has 800 million visitors per month, and the platform in question is Pinterest.com. And I actually done a lot of research, spent a lot of hours trying to find as many of these different accounts and different niches that I'm going to share with you for completely free, alongside with that prompt that I promised at the beginning of this video. And for example, if you go over here, you can see that this person is posting about health, and they have these faceless being their posting. They have